Hi guys, how are you? And how's your study going? Today I'm going to share with you using FX115ES plus Casio calculator and calculating permutations and combinations. And I hope this will help us save time during the FE exam. So first we're going to do the permutation, and for the formula it is NPR equals n factorial over n minus r factorial, where p is the permutations and n is the set or population, r is the subset of n or sample set. For example, the Royal Canadian Legion Remembrance Day Literary Contest has 20 participants. A $50, $40, $30, $20, and $10 prizes will be given. How many ways can be the prizes are distributed? So for the solution, we're going to use our calculator, and the given, it's n is 20 participants, and for our r is 5. It's the kinds of prices. It's the 50, 40, 30, 20, and $10. So using our calculator, we gotta punch in 20, then shift, and then the X or the times to get the P, and then 5 as our R. So then equals, we'll have 1,860 and 480 ways that the prices can be distributed. And of course, we can use the formula like the typical or the theoretical formula for option B. You have the choice to do this also, but I recommend using option A, or we can just punch in on our calculator. We'll just determine what are the given, the N and the R, and then we're good to use our calculator. And for the second one, it is the combinations. So the formula is NCR, which is equals to NPR over R factorial, or it is equals n factorial all over r factorial times n minus r factorial, where c is the combination, and then n the set or population, r is the subset of n or sample set. So for our example, the Royal Canadian Legion Remembrance Day Literary Contest has 20 participants. 5 $50 prizes will be given. How many ways can be the prizes are distributed? So for our solution, using our FX115ES plus calculator, we determine what's the given. So for our N, it is 20 participants, and for our R, it says there are 5 $50, so then it's 5. So then punching into our calculator, we'll do 20, then shift, then the divide symbol to get C, and then 5 and equals. So that would give us 15,504 ways that the prices are distributed. And for, of course, option B, using the formula or the longer solution, so it is 20C5 equals 20 factorial all over 5 factorial times 20 minus 5 factorial to get 15,504. Again, you have the option to use option B, but I recommend using option A, just using our calculator. And I have another example here for combinations. So still the formula is the same. It's just that there's a little bit twist. Uh, For our example, it's the Royal Canadian Legion Remembrance Day Literary Contest has 20 participants. They need to have 5 winners of $50. And then if 12 of the participants are boys and 8 of them are girls, how many ways can be the winner consist of 3 boys and 2 girls? So our solution for option A, using our calculator, and then we determine the given. So n is equals to 12 boys, then other one is 8 for girls, and then for our r it's 3 for boys and 2 for girls, because it says here if 12 of the participants are boys and 8 of them are girls, how many ways can be the winners consist of 3 boys and 2 girls? So then using our formula, so it's NCR, the boys, and then times NCR of the girls. So it gives us 12C3. It means there are 12 boys and we choose 3 of them to be winners, and then 8C2, meaning there are 8 girls and we only choose 2 for them to be winner. So then using our calculator, so we got 12 shifts the divide sign, and then there's 3 times 8 girls, shift divide sign, and there you choose 2 winners among the girls, so equals, we have 6,160 for our answers. So that would be the ways that the winners consist of 3 boys and 2 girls. And of course, for using the formula, I already made it for you, so if you can have a second to look at it and compare it, we'll get the same answer. So again, you got 2 options for the solution, but I still recommend the option A, using our calculator. Again, thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.